everyone, welcome back to my channel stylefitwithjanu. Hope you all are doing well. So today's video is gonna be something different and I'm gonna share this easy beautiful makeup look which is gonna be so close and it's gonna be a super easy tutorial. So first, this is my bare skin. I've prepped my skin and now let's just finish my base makeup. So I'm back with my base makeup on. So let's start off with the eyebrows. So for eyebrows I'm using the Plum I Swear by eyebrow pencil. I'm just drawing short strokes to give a natural and bushy look to my eyebrows, and now I'm just gonna use this pulley side to comb in and groom in my eyebrows. So that's it for the eyebrows. Now let's move on to the eyeshadow part. For eyeshadow, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Tammi X Topical Paradise eyeshadow palette, and this has been one of my most favorite palettes and one of my first palettes of all time. So I'm taking the brown shade which is similar to my skin tone as my transition shade, and I'm working it with a fluffy blending brush. This is gonna be a slow real-time eye makeup tutorial, guys, so that it will be useful for you, and it's gonna be a step-by-step tutorial. So as you can see, I'm using a very short strokes to give that natural transition kind of a finish. Now I'm using the mauvish pink shade in my pencil brush, and this is a super hack if you wanna just quickly do a full cut crease eye makeup. So I'm just using this pencil brush and I'm just creating a full cut crease kind of a look, and then I'm gonna just use my fluffy blending brush to blend in everything with the transition shade so that it looks even, clear and beautiful. Now I'm picking the baby pink satin shimmer kind of a shade in a shader brush, and I'm just filling it on my eyelid area. As you can see, this creates a beautiful full crease kind of a effect, but it is so quick and easy. So this is how it looks like. And now for the lower lash line, I'm picking the same purple kind of a satin shade to just complete the eye look, and to end it I'm just using the beautiful metallic blue shade to give that pop of color to my eye look, and that blue shade is from this beautiful Mars Cosmetics Mesmereyes eyeshadow palette, and this is the eye look, guys. So now for kajal, I'm using the House of Makeup kajal, and this is super pigmented, so I'm tight lining my lower and upper waterline with the same kajal. This just enhances your eye shape and it makes your eye look so beautiful. Now I'm using the Sugar eyeliner. I'll just leave all the product description in the description box below, guys, so just check it out. So I'm just drawing a thin winged eyeliner. Actually, to be honest, I've just filmed this tutorial after a long 3 to 4 months, so I was a little slow to get that eyeliner perfect. So that's about the eyeliner. Now I'm gonna just curl my lashes with the Vega eyelash curler. For mascara, I'm using the Essence Get Big Lashes mascara. This is a beautiful mascara which just enhances your eyelashes so well. It looks pretty voluminous but natural. That's why I like it so much. I'm applying the mascara on my upper and lower eyelashes. Now I'm using the Calailis false eyelashes, and I'm using the second one to just give that natural finish. Next for lips, I'm using the Nykaa Cosmetics Luxe Matte Lipstick, I guess, and it's in the shade Staycation, and this is such a beautiful pink shade. It suits almost all skin tone, but if you're darker than mine, you have to use a beautiful pink lip liner to outline, and it is so comfortable, super good, and I absolutely love it. So this is the completed eye look, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you want me to do such soothing ASMR makeup tutorials, do let me know in the comment section below. I'll be happy to share. You can also share this video with your friends and family so that it will be helpful for them as well. You can also check out my Instagram page stylefitwithjanu for more self-care, makeup and fashion content. Yeah, that's it, guys. Until next time, bye bye.